Today, I'm going to teach a trick in maths where you can solve your addition in few seconds, whether it is a two-digit number, three-digit, or any other bigger number. So let us start. Now, let us start adding three-digit numbers. Fast addition trick in 2 seconds. So we always used to add from right side, which is long method, but we will add today from the left side. Here is my question. 725 plus 256. So we will start adding from the left side today. So in the first column, you can see the number 7 and 2 given. So when you are adding these two, what the number you will get? 9. Now come to the second column, that is 2 and 5. When you add this two number, what you will get? 7. Next, 5 and 6. When you add these two number, what the number? 11. So when you're adding this 11, so 1 will be in the third column and this 1 will shift to second column, will be added with the 7. So what the number you will get when you are adding? 9, 8, 1. How you got? This 9 you will write straight away. This you will add 7 plus 1, 8. And this 1. So you will get 981. So in this way you can solve your sums. So in the same way you will solve the next second questions. Let us move. So now you can see second question is 864, 432. In the same way, again we will start from the left side, that is 8 and 4. So when you will add this number, you will get two-digit number, that is 12. So but 2 you can't write in this place, that is in the second column 1. It will be remain in the first column. So when you are adding this two-digit number, this two number, in the second column, what you will get? 9. But this 9 cannot be written in this place, it will be here. See students, when I am explaining this, it is little lengthy, but when you will solve, it will become in short. 4 plus 2, when you are adding this two number, so you will get 6. So it will be come to the third column. It will won't be written in the second column. So now you can add straight away. 1, 2, 9 and 6. So you will get answer 1296, that is 1296. So this is the way you can solve this addition. Now come to the third question. In the same way again. So come to the first column, that is 6 plus 6. When you're adding this two, what you will get? Again two-digit number, that is 12. So it will be remain in the first column. So come to the second column, that is 7 and 5. So when you are adding these two, again you will get two-digit number answer, that is 12. So when you're writing 12, what will happen? In this second column, 2 will be written and this one-digit number will be written below 2. So come to the third column, that is 2 and 4. When you're adding these two, what you will get? 6. It will be in the third column. So what will be the addition? 1, 2 plus 1, 3, this 2 and this is will be 6. So let us see the answer. 1, 3, 2, 6. The answer is 1326. So this is your answer. So in this way you can add three-digit number. So let us move to the next question. Now let us start adding two-digit number. Now here you can see my next question. 35 plus 53. There are two numbers, 3 and 5. But here you can see it is opposite, 53. So when you will add this type of a question, you will get, and adding these two number, simply what you will do, you will add these two. 3 plus 5. you will take this 2-digit only, that is 3 and 5. When you add these two, you will get 8. And you will multiply by 11. When you will multiply, now you will get 88. So you will see that when you will add these two, the simple way, you will get 88. But you will solve in this way also, you will get 88, which is very in short. Straight away 3 plus 5 multiply by 8. So you will get 88. In the same way, come to the next questions, next example. Now you can see 61 plus 16. See, the number is same, but it is reverse. So what you will do again? So what? Number 6 plus 1. When you will add these two digits, you will get 7. So now what you have to do now after that? When you are adding this two number, you will multiply by 11. Again multiply by 11 when you are having the same number. So the answer is 77. In the same way, the last question, 76 plus 67. You can see here the number I'm using the same. Equal 7 plus 6. Now when you will add these two numbers, you will get 13. After adding, you will multiply by 11. So you will get 143. So in this way, you will get the answer. If you find such questions having the same digit, but it is reverse. So in this way, you can also solve your question. So come to the next. Now, let us start with the different questions now. Now you can see here on the screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two-digit number, but how many? Total is 10. So how you will add this 10 number? It will take a lot of time. So let me tell you in short what you will do. So first, what you will do, now you can see 52. Here you can see 52 is your first number, 53 second, third, 4, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and this is 10th. So here what you have to choose the number, only the first number that is in place 1, that is 52. You can't take 54, 58, 60 or 61, the last number. No. So when you get such questions that adding 10 numbers like this, which is of two-digit number. So what you will do, you straight away you take the starting number, that is the 52. When you're taking the starting number, so you will write and you will add with 4. Not any other number, with 4. When you add these two, what you will get? 56. 4 plus 2, 6 and 5. That is 56. So this 56 you get, and straight away do nothing, just add this 5 in the last. 5, 6 and 5. No need to again add, just straight away put 5. So you will get 565. So you can also check your answer. You will get this answer only, that is 565.